The VSF extension identifies a VLC skin file containing custom user interface theme data for the VLC Media Player application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you install, create, or troubleshoot these Media Player skin files. A quick heads up, I've saved my most powerful VSF troubleshooting step, a tech-only workaround, for after we've gone through the user-friendly methods. Here's a quick preview. VSF files are skin theme files for VLC Media Player containing custom user interface graphics, layout definitions, and button configurations that change the visual appearance of the VLC Player window controls and display elements. VLC VSF skin files use a zip-based archive containing XML layout definitions, bitmap graphic assets for buttons, sliders, and backgrounds, and theme metadata. They define window geometry control positions and visual states for interactive player elements. The best utility for reliable viewing of VSF is known to be VLC Media Player by Videolan. Windows often fails to decompress all components within this complex format. Windows can show the video in built-in players, while creative editing requires video-specific software. The first action is to test the system's defined programs. Right-click the VSF file and click Open With. Test VLC Media Player, if present. If it is unavailable, select another program. We need to find the specific library that works. If the VSF file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. You've earned a definitive answer. Let's run these focus tests on the common failure points to locate where the issue with the VSF file begins. First, installing the skin. Open VLC and navigate to Tools, then Preferences, then Interface. Select Use. Custom Skin, and browse to the VSF file. Click Save and restart VLC. The player restarts with the custom skin applied, changing the visual appearance of all controls and windows. Next, switching skins. Toggle between the default interface and custom skins via View, then Interface Style in VLC. Download additional VSF skins from videolan.org, VLC skins, HTML. Save downloaded skins to a dedicated folder for easy access when switching between visual themes. Finally, creating custom skins. Use the VLC skin editor to design custom VSF skins. Define window layouts, place control elements, assign bitmap graphics for button states, and configure animation behaviors. Export the completed skin as a VSF file for distribution to other VLC users. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.